Hello students, good morning. So every day you are posting homeworks and classworks in your WhatsApp groups, isn't it? So after a long duration, we are noticing that the students, they are just writing the handwriting in a very worst manner. We have noticed that you are not at all writing neat handwriting. So today I am going to give you a small introduction how to beautify your handwriting. So are you interested? If you believe there is magic in everyone's hand, it is not that only some students are good at studies and those people handwriting is good. It's nothing like that. You can do magic with your own hands. The only thing is you need to identify the proper place of writing the letters. Okay, you need to identify the letters and you need to know how to write them and where you have to extend the line. I mean, you have to follow the rules writing in double rule, single rule and in these broad rules. Okay, so let us first get to know about letters. Everybody knows alphabets, and in those alphabets we have uppercase letters, lowercase letters and middle case letters. So you need to learn about this first. What are those uppercase, lowercase and middle case letters? Let us see what is that. What is meant by uppercase letters? The letters which we write above the line. Okay, let us consider this double rule line. Okay, so in this there are some letters which are going above the line. You can identify them. What are they? B, D, F, H, K, L and T. So first I am considering a double rule line. Okay, so while writing in this, the letters which are going above the line, they are uppercase letters. Okay, then what are lowercase letters? The letters which we write below the line. For example, G, J, P, Q, Y and Z. Okay, Z you can write in two ways, like you can write in middle zone or you can write in lower zone. Okay, so this is about lowercase. What is this middle case letters? The letters which are in between these two lines, they are middle case letters, like A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W and X. So you need to keep this in mind. What are uppercase letters, what are middle case letters and what are lower case letters. If you remember this, you can while writing you can write them in a proper way. What you need to do is you have to place them in a proper way, proper manner. For example, so let's look at this. We are doing this in single rule. If we are writing this in single rule, see what are the uppercase letters. You have uppercase letters must reach. See, there is difference between this writing on board and writing in the book. Okay, while you are writing in singular book, while writing in single rule, in the book you will be having enough space. Okay, it looks lengthy if you touch the line. If you are touching the upper line while writing uppercase letters, while writing uppercase letters in the single rule book, if you touch these lines, it looks awkward. But why did I touch this line here? I have written this on the board, students. So I have maintained this according to the font size. But while writing in the book, if you maintain the font size and if you reach this line, it doesn't look good. So while writing in the book, what you have to do? The uppercase letters, what are these uppercase letters? They should just come till here. Okay, you can reach your letters, you can take your letters to this height. Okay, as I have written on the board, maintaining the font size, I have touched the line here. But while you write in the book, it is not necessary that you should also touch the line of touch the upper line. Okay, just you can write till here the uppercase letters. What are the lowercase letters? You can write below the line. There is no much difference while writing the lowercase letters in double rule line or single rule line. Okay, then middle case letters, as usual you have to write the same how you write in this double rule lines, the same way you can follow in this single rule lines. Then coming to this 4 rule. Okay, how is this? This is also the same process. The uppercase letters must touch the upper line, and lowercase letters must touch this lower line, and the middle case letters must be in between these 2 lines. So what you have to learn is what are the uppercase letters. You need to know just what are uppercase letters, what are lowercase letters, and what are middle case letters. And upper means up, it should be above. What is lower? Lower means down, it should be lower the line. Okay, it should be down the line. Then middle case letters are nothing but you have to write in between the middle lines. Understood this? I hope you will follow these rules. What you all need to do is you have to just identify these uppercase, lowercase and middle case letters, and while writing you have to keep in mind which letter you have to, which letters must reach the upper case or upper line, which letters must reach the lower line, and what and all letters must lie in the middle line. Okay, I hope you have all understood, students. And while writing, what you have to do, you have to maintain this. Okay, which letters you have to reach the upper line, which letters you need to write in the lower zone, and which and all letters should be in the middle zone. If you follow this, if you get to know these letters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters and middle case letters, then you'll find it easy, and you can just beautify your handwriting. You can't believe that you have written this. If you follow this, then only you can get the beautiful handwriting. If you just miss and write the letters as you wish, then you will spoil your handwriting. Thank you, students. Do follow this and write neatly in your books. Thank you again.